Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, several hours of light snow starting to move away and just some thin coatings on some car tops and grassy surfaces, especially across northern suburbs. I want to show you North Scituate, intersection of 101 and 102. Now, out here, the grass was covered and the cars were covered just a little bit. And I noticed in the past couple of minutes, this is the intersection of 101 and 102, a sand and salt truck just drove by. And the reason why, you can see the road glistening, so the road obviously is still wet and temperatures are falling, so it's kind of a race between how fast the road can dry out as to how fast the temperatures are dropping, but there may be some icy spots. So be mindful of that, especially if you're traveling late at night. If the road looks wet, more than likely at, say, 22 degrees, it's not wet at all. It's crystals of ice. So just use some caution. In the meantime, talk about this. We talked about this last night, the roller coaster ride, close to 60 degrees this morning. Strong cold front comes through. The temperatures just tumbled to the upper 20s to low 30s and getting even colder overnight. Record cold later tonight through Wednesday. It's 29 at Smithfield, 32 Providence, 32 Westerly. So again, we'll watch for some icy spots later. One good thing, the wind is picking up, so that'll tend to ventilate the pavement a little bit. So you tend to dry the pavement out a little quicker when you have gusty wind, but there may still be some residual moisture, so watch for that. Record cold likely tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, and potentially into Wednesday night as well. Even with all-day sunshine tomorrow, the temperature barely moves. The weekend looks cool. I wouldn't call it frigid, but a little chilly on Saturday and a bit milder on Sunday. In fact, by Sunday night, we may bring back some rain showers. All right, take a look at the satellite and radar composite. Now, the gray is cloud cover. The light blue is some light snow. You can see a little bit lingering along parts of the coastline and out towards southeastern Mass. It'll be drying out shortly. There is clearing off to our west. In fact, some of our northwest suburbs have seen some partial clearing. So the cold front, boy, this really meant business as far as knocking down the temperature is offshore. And behind that front, northwesterly winds picking up. High pressure in control. So look at all the clear weather back here. And this belongs to us for later tonight through all of Wednesday. But it doesn't help the temperature as the core, the real cold air in southeastern Canada starts to work in tonight and right on through tomorrow. Let me walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening at 7 o'clock. The last of the snow pulling offshore with clearing skies. Temperatures take that nosedive. These are not wind chills, but actual air temperatures by 7 o'clock in the morning around 18, 19 degrees. The feel-like temperatures at that time will be in the single digits. Very windy and quite cold for this time of year. Upper 20s to around 30 is about the best we can do. 5 o'clock in the evening, it's at 25, and this sets the stage for very cold weather, near record cold weather coming up for later tomorrow night and into early on Thursday morning. Yeah, this is the kind of attire at the bus stop tomorrow morning with wind chills. It'll be in the single digits. So sunshine, windy, bitterly cold. Sunrise temperature on average at around 19, and then never really getting above freezing during the afternoon. Very windy and cold with sunshine and temperatures upper 20s to briefly near 30 degrees. All right, 7-day forecast shows that cold weather. And again, with the wind, it'll be gusty, 25, 30 miles per hour. The feel-like temperatures in the single digits early, and then the wind chills during the afternoon. Even though the temperature is 30, the feel-like temperatures are going to be running about 20, 25, and near record cold Thursday morning before recovering to 40 in the afternoon. Better temperatures on Friday. Weekend looks dry on Saturday. Clouds increasing on Sunday. Right now, Sunday day looks dry, but the chance of rain showers by Sunday night. So again, we'll watch the pavement closely to see if it dries out in time before these temperatures really tumble, but some icy spots are possible.
All right, Tony, thanks. More coverage